the water balloons challenge!
Yeah!
Choose your color.
I'm first.
Okay.
My color is red. Yay! I'm next.
Come on, come on, come on.
Yellow. It's my turn.
One.
I'm green. My color is blue. Wow!
Everyone has lives. During the challenge, the number of lives will change depending on your success.
Okay!
Are you ready? The balloons are here. This is for blue.
Thank you.
Red balloons for you, Roma.
Wow!
Green color for you.
Yay!
And yellow one.
Yay! Yellow is my favorite color.
Done.
No.
We need to fill the balloons with water.
Wow! Not tasty.
You need to pop as many balloons as possible. But remember, darts are sharp.
Okay.
Take it.
Yay! La 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 la. Wow! La 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 la. Uh-oh.
Kids, we need a challenge. Stop! 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 Ow! Let's play outside the pool. Come on, come on, come on.
Go, go, go! Let's go!
I have a new challenge for you. You need to pop
Subscribe
water
to my
balloons
channel.
while driving
And
car.
also press this bell icon.
Come on!
Ready, steady, go!
Blue. Oh no! I didn't pop anything. Yellow. I didn't pop anything too. Here comes the monster truck. I popped 0 balloons. Green! Zero? Guys, look! Hey! Time to play! Wow! It's like a trampoline! Yay! Everyone lost 1 life.
In this challenge, you need to slide as far as possible.
My turn. Wow!
In this challenge, red color wins. Let's go to the next one.
Yay!
Hello. You need to hit the balloons into the holes
There.
and collect the points.
Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Ow!
Now it's my turn.
You very close. Try again.
Okay.
Oh yeah! 10, 13. Very cool.
Yay! 3, 2, 1, fire! Oh no, I missed.
Challenge is finished. Let's move forward.
Yes!
Kids, are you ready for surprise? Come on. Try to pop these balloons.
Idea! Let's use dart! Yay! Yellow! My turn! Red! Oh! 3, 2, 1, go! Green! Blue!